All right, next on the agenda, keeping the train rolling, is this Bestop Sunrider. I don't know if you don't know what this is, but it basically replaces the hard Freedom panels with a soft top that you can just flip back at a stoplight, one-handed. It's pretty much one of the coolest products you got. If you have a hard top, it's definitely a must-have. I do love that these are painted colors, painted matched things, but Freedom panels, I will keep them. You know, sometimes when we do long trips, if we're going out of state or even just down to the Keys, just for this is slightly noisier, but not bad. But definitely gonna throw this thing on here now and let's get to it. So the very first thing you do is unclip your Freedom panel like that. And then we will get to these guys and open up all the Freedom panel latches. And we'll do the same thing on that side. Get these guys. Open this up, get that guy out of here, and that should be, yep, that's the last one. And now these guys are free to move, just like that. Okay, another important thing to remember when you are taking off these Freedom panels, they do go in a specific order. So what you want to do is remove the driver one first. And you can see because it has that lip that it sits on the passenger side. You want to remove that first. Be very careful. They are light, but they are slightly fragile. This guy out of here. Over to this side, you don't even have to open the door. Grab that and easily lift it out. And I always forget, even with the picture, so too, yeah, we'll figure this out. Correction, I actually had that wrong, even though there was a picture. But yeah, flat side of one goes like this. It goes in the bottom there, and then you can see those line up there. And then you take this, put it over here, grab your panel two, which is your passenger panel. That goes in there, and now everything should fit and be a little bit more protected. See if we did it right. It's always a tight fit. That's what she said. I think we did it right. It's always questionable. There we go. Now you have your hardtop panels. Like I said, this can go in the back seat. I think there's some kind of like closure system, anything. I'm just gonna put them to the side for now and show you what it's like with these guys off. All right, and just in case you wanna know what that looks like completely open, some people maybe didn't know how easy it is to take off the Freedom panels. Just showing you a little lap right here. Look at that, we are open air. Just like that, you get your open air, you get your sun, you know, but with the sun, and we live in Florida, in a lot of places, you know, it might be looking like this and 5 minutes later it might start raining. So that's why it's always great to have that Bestop Sunrider that I could put down real quick. Another thing, I usually don't not have a spider web shade in here, but I haven't had a chance to put it in yet. But that actually blocks the wind and the sun, so you still get that open air feel. Whether you have the Sunrider flip top on or not, or just your Freedom panels off, spiderweb shade's a nice option. We'll get that going up on here in the next few videos. I just wanted to show you how nice and cool it is to get the open air look with your Freedom panels off. Woo! But now, like I said, it's beautiful out, but it's Florida, so it's probably gonna rain later today. And let's go get that top on there so that we can close it up real quick if we have to. But it is nice getting that thing open and being in a truck. That's why a Gladiator is so fun to me. Okay, now the joyride's over. I'm gonna slap this guy on here. So we put this guy over here. I like to do it closed. This guy in place loosely. Alright. See, that goes on there. that kind of just drops into place like that. Look at that. Fits perfectly with the lines there. Make sure it's all nice and pretty. There you go. Okay, now that the Sunrider is here in place, there's not a whole lot to do, but there's 4 bolts that come with this. 2 that have spacers and 2 that don't, so that's per side. You want to make sure that this one goes up here and this one goes here. So you just start that in there. Sometimes you need to give it a little, there you go, perfect. The one without the spacer, sometimes you got to co-work that one, there you go. And that drops in there. So we'll leave those loose for now. Then what you want to do is take this Bestop clamp, that's going to go right up here. And what that's doing is going where your hardtop used to go. I guess I'll come on this side. This is where your freedom panels did have their latch. So you take this and you basically clamp it on there. So you make sure that it's snug around there on the top. This is the freedom panel, or this is the Bestop Sunrider clamp, and this is where your tabs used to go on your freedom panel. So you just drop those in there, nice and easy. All right, and then of course repeat the steps over here. You have this one goes here. Sometimes I gotta kind of fix it into place there and use a little leverage. That one goes up in there. And this one will go. Make sure that it finds its place. All right, so now they're all good. So then you take your latches. It's good to push this phone forward with your thumb. See, I like to do it like that. Then you can catch it easier. So thumb, grab the latch, boom. So that's on there. And then I don't suggest using power tools, but I've been doing this a while. This is a T40, comes in your Jeep toolkit. Just be careful. That's it. Just make sure you go too hard, you will strip those, and you don't want to do that. I saw how quickly and easy that was to drop the Sunrider in there and replace. So this is closed, and then real quick, boom, boom. Get it up, and you're open. You're at the stoplight, it's chilling. Game on. Oh, what crap, starts to rain. You grab this thing right here, drop it back down, boom, boom, and you're ready to roll. Bestop Sunrider. Super glad to save that from the last Gladiator. They're a little pricey. I think they're north of $1,000 now. They were not when I got this one. But yeah, this is it's definitely worth it, and you want to make sure you get the black twill. The black twill is the nice one. The black diamond is you really don't care, but it's a grayer looking vinyl, and they get dirty and they stain. The black twill is what usually comes on the premium hard tops or soft tops right from Jeep.